2, I have two parallel lines. We're going to call them L and M. I have angle Y and I have angle X. Those two angles have a specific name. What would their name be called?
Y and X.
Because one's on one side of the transversal, one's on the other side of the transversal. So they're on opposite sides of the transversal.
So they're alternate interior.
Correct. Three, I have a parallel line L and a parallel line M. You have a transversal. Look where Y and X are. Go ahead, Jimmy.
Oh, the same side interior.
Yep, or I'm going to say consecutive interior.
Doesn't matter what you say.
Mm-mm. I just say consecutive interior because that's the word I use on your homework. So, just to keep it similar. More practice on identifying the type of angle. So this line is parallel to this line.
We write 7 down too.
Yeah,
Alternate exterior.
correct, because they're on opposite sides of the transversal. This is your transversal. They're on the outside of the parallel lines. That means the angles are congruent. So this question mark up here
71.
would be 71 degrees. So I have a parallel line, L, M. This is my transversal.
Oh, it's same side interior.
So it's same side interior. So that means that I'm going to take 7x minus 6.
Minus
He's
130.
not minus, I'm going to add 130. Because then these two are going to add up to 180. Because they're consecutive or same side interior. See how they're kind of next to each other?
Mm-hmm.
So then I just combine my like terms. That'd be 124. If I subtract 124 from 180,
Is it like 30, no, 26? 56.
56,
I was close.
divide by 7, my value of x would be
8.
8. 11, I have a parallel line L.
Opposite interior.
We're going to go with alternate interior. So since they're alternate interior, what do I know about this degree and this degree?
The same.
They're the same, they have to be congruent. And since they're the same, I can set them equal to each other and solve for x. 14. Parallel line L, parallel line M. Your transversal is this line. What kind of angles are 7x minus 6 and 6x plus 2? Because they have a common endpoint, kind of. They are congruent. So basically they're going to be the same angle. So I can say 7x minus 6 equals 6x plus 2 and solve for x.
7 times 8 minus 6, and then 8, 6 times
So
8
yes,
plus 2.
x equals 8. What does each angle equal?
4.
So 6 times that 8 plus 2.
Drag it. 48, 50.
So this degree is 50. This degree is 50. What kind of angles are the expressions
Same side interior.
or?
I have no idea. No, that's not.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, that is. C Granger.
So since they're consecutive interior, Wesley, what do they equal?
90? No, 80.
180.
180. So how am I going to set it up?
3x plus 1 equals 180. Ow.
So then you combine information, combine the 26 and the 33. You should get 79x.
3.
That's not 79x, that's 59x.
X equals 3.
Plus 3 equals 180. What's the answer?
X equals 3.
So that's only part of the answer.
And then you insert it back.
Yep. So you could just insert it into 1. So 33 times 3 plus 1.
Not 100.
So this angle is 100. What does this angle have to equal? This one better equal 80. Directions say, find the measure of the indicated angle that makes the lines U and V parallel. So what kind of angles are these two, Wesley?
Alternate exterior.
So that means the question mark is what?
180. Oh no, 91.
91, because they're congruent.
Is that it?
That's all you gotta do for that one, yep. 19, you have U and V. This is your transversal. You have the question mark here. You have that angle here.
So 75.
Same opposite interior.
It's 75. Consecutive interior.
That's
So how would you solve for X?
Hold on, I can't see anything. Let me get closer to the board. It's the exact same. The pixels are just too large. Okay, thank you. All right.
For alternate exterior.
Carter, can you move?
No, I can't.
Yeah,
You can move.
You're good though.
So you solve that